Hi, I'm Paul Pasulka, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. Today we're going to look at Test 1, Section 2, number 15, which reads, "But Jason Box, an associate professor of geology at Ohio State, believes another factor added to the early thaw, the dark snow problem." What we see here for number 15 is called an appositive. An appositive is a word or phrase that defines something or gives some information. Appositives are always offset on both sides by the same punctuation. In fact, on SAT, in just about every situation, when you could take a phrase out of a sentence, it's got to have the same punctuation on both sides. Now, this could be a comma before and after, it could be a dash before and after, it could be a parenthesis before and after. It will never be a colon before and after. It will never be a semicolon before and after. Keeping that in mind, you'd have to ask yourself, hey, what phrase could we take out of this sentence? And it turns out it is the appositive, which is the phrase that tells us who Jason Box is. He is an associate professor of geology at Ohio State. Since you could take that phrase out and we could check it over by reading it without that phrase, but Jason Box believes that another factor added to the early thaw, the dark snow problem. Makes perfect sense without that phrase. So if I have a comma before it, I'm going to need a comma after it. That's why answer choice A is wrong. Answer choice B has a comma after it, but no comma before it. That's wrong. Answer choice C has a comma before the phrase and a comma after phrase. That looks good. Answer choice D has the comma in the wrong place. Has the second comma in the wrong place. And if we read it, might make sense, but Jason Box at Ohio State believes that another factor added to the early thaw, blah, 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 blah. But we're really not done with the description of who Jason Box is until we get to the end of Ohio State. Answer choice C is your correct answer here. Thank you for joining us today. My name's Paul. If you like this video, click like. If there's a question from any official SAT or ACT or PSAT that you'd like to see, leave it in the comments. Share this with someone who has trouble with punctuation, and click subscribe so you don't miss anything. Have a great day.